everyone, this is Amelie from Eastman Shandong Machinery, and in my bag is our DX60 model 610 mini excavator. Okay, and you can see the steel tracks, the bulldozer. Yes, and the air conditioning cabin. Okay, and it uses famous brand Yangma agent, and for the European customers, we also had another Yangma agent model for meet the EU Stage 5 emission. So don't worry, the customer clearance, and American and Canada customer also has the EPA 4 emission, and it has load sensing hydraulics with variable displacement piston pump. Okay, this is radiator. Okay, and if you like our products and want to get a quote, please contact Eastman Shandong Machinery, and we will send the specification and the quotation for you. That's all. Thank you.
Yes, I have tested this excavator. It's really smooth, powerful, and I think it's a very brand new excavator. 6 tons, it's really perfect for mining, for agriculture, for building construction, and for many other works. And what I very appreciate is the frame, the seat, and the air conditioning really well made. And all in this cabin is very technical and will serve you very nicely.